Dark matter is strange stuff. It is all around you, but you can't see it. It is whistling by your ears, but you can't hear it. It is arguably the most important material in the universe. But until recently, scientists had no idea that it existed. It will decide the fate of the universe, but we have no idea what it is. Now I'm going to read you from a quotation from E.A. Wallace Budge, Gods of the Egyptians. The older company of gods have been described as personifications of aspects or phases or properties of primeval matter, and may thus be enumerated. Nu-Nut, because they're always paired. In the ancient African conception, there is no male without female, no female without male, ever. You never have them separate. They always come together. There is no universe without that complementarity there. Nu-Nut is the boundless primordial fluid mass. Hehu-Hehut is limitlessness and infinity. Amen-Ament is the hidden and the invisible, and Kekui-Kekut is the primary darkness. This describes the state of existence prior to the onset of this universe. Also from E.A. Wallace Budge, Osiris. Hail Osiris, stand up, rise up, like Bob Marley said. Stand up, rise up. Thy mother Nut gives thee birth. Thy two sisters make thee to journey. In thy name, Kemware, the great black one. So we have the sense of blackness being at the very heart and the essence of the beginning of things, right at the very beginning of the African development of their worldview. You see, because the thing about what they found out about dark matter in the universe is that it makes up between 90 to 99% of the universe. So this is why in the ancient African conceptions they say light is born from darkness. Because darkness is the primeval reality. In fact, it exists really in our own sense of ourselves. Why? Because neuroscientists have determined that the brain, the mind, is 10% consciousness and 90% unconsciousness. 90% darkness, if you will like, 10% light. But that everything that we are, therefore, is embedded, buried, contained, enfolded in that womb-like 90% of unconsciousness. So you can begin to see the significance of the great black, of the great Kemware. Let's talk about black holes. Black holes is a condition, is a celestial condition that occurs when a huge, massive star, maybe 10 to 100 times the size of our own sun, at the end of its life, collapses down. And in collapsing down, it collapses down so far that it gets to a place of such massive, unimaginable density and weight that it creates so much gravity that nothing can escape from it, not even light. That is the reason why it is called black hole. But you see what happens when it gets to that place, you see black holes all over the universe. In fact, our galaxy, at the center of our galaxy and other galaxies are black holes, and in fact, it is the black hole that makes our galaxy spin. It is the black hole that makes other galaxies spin. You see, and this is what you see, by the way, in ancient Kemet and among the Dogon, is that they have this concept of things that spin and revolve and rotate. The earth spins on its axis. The moon revolves around the earth and spins on its axis. The earth spins on its axis, revolves around the sun. The sun spins on its axis and revolves around the center of the galaxy. The galaxy spins on its axis and spins around the center of the cluster of galaxies to which it belongs. That cluster spins on its axis